Hello guys. So in this video we will be understanding what are the operators present in C programming language. So as you can see, we have various operators to perform some kind of operation on an expression. So what is an expression? It can be any logical expression, it can be a conditional expression, any set of statements can be which has to be executed is known as your expression. So these are the operators that are basically present in C programming language. We have arithmetic operator. Now coming to arithmetic operator, as the name suggests, arithmetic operator is used to perform some basic arithmetic operation. So what are your basic arithmetic operator? So we have basic arithmetic operator like we have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, division, we have modulo operator that returns the remainder. So these are the basic arithmetic operator that we have in C programming language. Then we have relational operator, or it is also known as conditional operator. The word itself says relational operator, that it gives relationship between two operands. So operand is nothing but the numbers on which you are performing some operation. So if I say 1 plus 2, 1 and 2 is my operand and plus is my operator. So to give relationship between two operand is known as my relational operator. So what are the relational operators I have in C? So we have greater than, we have lesser than, equal to, we have greater than, equal to, and then we have equal to, and also we have not equal to. So these are the basic relational operators that we use to give the relationship between two operands, followed by your shift operator. So shift operator is used to shift your binary digits by either left or right by some number. So for example, if I have 100, which is nothing but binary representation of 8, so this means 8. So if I say shift the bits right by 1, so this 1 will be shifted towards right by 1, this 0 will be shifted, this 0 will be shifted. So now I'll get 0 1 0 0. Why? This 1 is shifted by right. So for that we have shift operator. So if I have two right chevron, it means shift towards your right. So I will say 8 right shift by 1, which means this 8 in binary, this is the representation, shift towards right by how many times? By 1 time. So if I give here 2, so this 1 will skip at 2 position, and then this 0 will skip at 2 position, and so on. Same way we perform bits, rather than moving right side, it moves left side, so we use left chevron. So we can say left shift operator. Then we have logical operator. So logical operators are used to combine multiple expressions. So if I have multiple expression that is used to be combined, so I'll be using my logical operator. So I have logical operators like logical AND, which means all the condition must be true. The entire expression must be true in order to be true. Then I have logical OR, which means either of the condition or either of the expression is true, it means true. And then I have logical NOT, that is nothing but the negation or the complement. So if it is true, it means false. If it is false, it means true. So this is my example for logical operator. Then I have bitwise operator. So in bitwise operator, the operation is performed bitwise bit. That is, every bit is considered for the operation. So what are the operation it can perform? Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise you can say XOR, you can say bitwise NOT, and so on. So there are a lot of operations you can perform bitwise bit on the given data using this bitwise operator. Then followed by ternary operator. As the name suggests, ternary, that means I have three operators. So how do you write your ternary operator? So I write my condition in this bracket followed by a question mark. That means evaluate the condition here. So I give a condition here, and if the condition is true, the statement 1 gets executed, separated by a colon, statement 2, and then I have a colon here. Okay, I have a semicolon. So this means this condition, if it is true, if the condition is true, statement 1 gets executed. If the condition is false, statement 2 gets executed. So this is example for my ternary operator. Then followed by assignment operator. It's very simple, assigning a value. Say for example, a is equals to 5. So this assignment equal to operator is known as your assignment operator. And in miscellaneous we have like unary operator, like plus 2, minus 2. So for this unary operator we have in miscellaneous operator. So these are few operators in C programming language.